Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and let me show you actually the evidence that this reset options will work properly. So let me turn on the grid lines which are in the settings, and here we've got the grid lines. So let's tap on the switcher here and let me get back to the camera. As you can see, the grid lines has been applied successfully and immediately. So now this is the best situation to show you how to reset camera settings. Let's tap on this three bars icon. Let's tap on the settings and let's scroll down to the very bottom until you'll find restore to defaults. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on restore to defaults, and I know you may think that actually nothing happened, but let's take a look at the grid option. The switcher now is off. Let's get back to the camera, and as you can see, the grid lines immediately disappeared, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.